Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by using the Discord desktop app because system-level audio capture is required. Browser sessions often block it. Make sure other audio apps are closed so Windows or Mac OS routes are free. Join a voice channel or start a direct call now. This creates the audio session Discord will attach to. Once done, select the Screen Share button and choose the specific application window you want to share rather than entire screen to ensure discrete audio piping. Now focus on the Share dialog. Pick the exact application window and enable Share Audio. That single checkbox is the only way Discord will capture sound from an app. On Windows, this uses desktop audio capture. On Mac OS, you must have given Discord screen recording permission in System Preferences. Then open User Settings Voice and Video to ensure Discord's output device matches the device playing the app audio. Mismatch here causes silence for viewers. Make sure volume sliders are up. Finish by starting the stream and play a clear test clip so viewers can confirm audio. If they report silence, stop sharing, toggle Share Audio off and on, then restart Discord. This resets permissions and audio capture. Make sure your OS still grants screen recording or microphone access to Discord. Revoke and re-grant if necessary. If problems persist, update or reinstall Discord and update audio drivers or system updates. That resolves deep driver or permission conflicts most of the time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.